Hello, little explorers. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, how far does the blue sky go? Well, let me tell you, it's not as far as you might think. The blue sky we see above us is actually something amazing called the atmosphere. It's like a big, invisible blanket made of air that wraps around the earth and keeps us safe. The sunlight bouncing around in this air is what makes the sky look blue during the day. After this air blanket ends, there's something huge and mysterious called space. Space is like a giant, dark ocean, but instead of water, it's filled with stars, planets, and other magical things. There's no air in space, which is why astronauts need spacesuits to breathe. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember that it's just the beginning of a super cool adventure that goes far beyond what we can see. The layer of blue sky does not go beyond the upper atmosphere. Beyond that lies space. It is believed that the universe is finite, but its limits remain unknown. Since the Big Bang, which is thought to have marked the birth of the universe, space has been expanding at a very rapid pace, but it remains completely immersed in darkness. The luminous objects within it, though very numerous, are tiny compared to the vast emptiness that surrounds them. The universe is incredibly huge, and scientists believe it's growing bigger and bigger all the time, expanding at a super fast speed. It's so enormous that humans can't reach its edges or even imagine where they might be. Now, think about the sun and the moon, our closest neighbors in space. They might look small when we see them in the sky, but they're already super far away from us. The moon, for example, is about 384,400 kilometers away. That's like driving around the Earth 10 times. And the sun, it's even farther, about 150 million kilometers away. To understand the speed an object reaches, we measure the distance it travels in 1 second. For example, if you drop an object from a height of 16.40 feet, it will reach the ground in about 1 second. After an additional 7 seconds, it will have covered a distance equal to the height of the Eiffel Tower. In astronomy, we use something called a light year to measure really far distances. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, and light travels super fast, about 186,282 miles per second. So when we talk about a light year, we're talking about a distance that's so huge, it's almost impossible to imagine. For example, some stars are millions of light years away from Earth, which means that the light we see from them left those stars millions of years ago. It's like seeing the past in the night sky. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey through space. Remember, space is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing explorations. See you next time, and keep reaching for the stars.